concept here for the next part of this chapter algebra on division and identities, right? Okay, so I have some questions for you on the board. I will explain you the concepts as well as the how you can solve these questions. So for division, we have got either a dividend. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. The divisor is at the bottom and dividend is actually at the top, which is the numerator. So whenever we divide, we have dividend upon the divisor. If the divisor is a monomial and if the divisor is a binomial. So let's do this one by one. So now in case your divisor is a monomial, then each term of the dividend will be divided by the monomial. Let's do it. 8x squared y cube upon minus 2xy. So this is basically, we'll divide this by can be upon minus 2xy. You can write this here as 8 upon minus 2 into x square upon x into y cube upon y. So this becomes minus 4 x to the power 2 minus 1 into y to the power 3 minus 1. Okay, law of exponent, you remember? So this becomes minus 4 x to the power 2 minus 1 is x and y to the power 3 minus 1 is 2. This is the answer. So what I have done, I simply divide each term of the monomial by the dividend or by the numerator. So this is how you do for questions on where the divisor is a monomial. Same, I have got another question for you. This is 6x plus 18x4 plus 18x4 minus 3x squared. Let me write over here this 6x plus 18x to the power 4 minus 3x square upon 3 divided by 3x square. So this 3x square, you divide each term by 3x square. Simple. This is how you do for division with monomial. Same. These are similar questions, right? So you can write equal to here. So this becomes 3 to the 6 x to the power. No, see, actually, I think this was 6x cube. It was 6x cube in this question. Okay, I just corrected. It was 6x cube. So this is 6x cube in this question. So this becomes 3 minus 2 plus 3 6 are 18 x to the power 4 minus 2 minus 1 x to the power 2 minus 2. So this becomes 2x, 3 minus 2 is 1, so it is 2x only, plus 6x square, 4 minus 2 minus x to the power 2 minus 2 minus x to the power 2 minus 2 is 0 and x to the power 0 we know is 1. So basically you will get this answer is equal to 2x plus 6x square minus 1. 1 into x to the power 0, minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 only. This is the answer. Okay, students. Now let's do this question. This is 6x square. Okay, now let's do this question. 9x minus 6x square plus x cube minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Now this is a binomial. So write the binomial over here. Now the 3 steps here. There are 3 steps here. Arrange in descending order first. First of all, we have to arrange in the descending order of the dividend, the power of the dividend. The power of the dividend has to be in the descending order. This is the first step. So first let's write the dividend in the descending order. So first will be in descending order of the power of the dividends. Power is, first we'll write x cube, then we'll write minus 6x square, then we'll write plus 9x, then we'll write minus 2. So this is how I do, and let's now solve it. And this is now we have to take two terms. Second step is since divisor is a binomial, take two terms of the dividend. So each time we'll take two terms. That's the second thing. And then last is to change the signs. We have to change the sign. Positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive. See, all these three steps will be used in this question. Whenever concept for division, if divisor is a binomial. First is what? Arrange in descending order of the power of the dividends, which I have done. Since divisor is a binomial, take two terms of the dividend each time, and then change the sign. So let's do. Second step I've done. I've taken two terms at one time. Now what should I multiply so as to get x cube, x square? So this becomes x cube. There are two terms, so minus 2x square also. Right. Now I do the third step, change the signs. This is positive, so this becomes negative. This is negative, this becomes positive. This is what I mentioned here. That change the signs. Positive, negative, negative, positive. So now I solve it. Plus x cube and minus x cube. This now we'll take minus x cube, not plus x cube. Plus x cube minus x cube. You cut this. Minus 6x square plus 2x square is minus 4x square. So again, come back to the second part here. You can't take, now this is the remainder. So we go further because we can't take one term. We take two terms, it's a binomial. Plus 9x. So we actually carry this. Now again we get two terms. Now what should I multiply so as to get minus 4x square? So I'll do this, x into minus 4. X into minus 4x is minus 4x square. So okay, then write this. And minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8x. Clear? Again I saw minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. So minus 4x and plus 4x, again you cut this. Plus 9x minus 8x. Now minus 8, now it is not plus, it is minus 8x, right? So plus 10x minus 8x is plus x. Again you can't take one term, again I carry minus 2 here. So x minus 2 and this x minus 2, x into what is x? Is plus 1. So here you put x and then minus 2 into plus 1 is, because there are two terms here, right? And minus 2 into plus 1 is minus 2. So minus plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So plus x and minus x is cut. Minus 2 and plus 2 cut. So remainder is equal to 0. Now there are no other terms. And quotient is x square minus 4x plus 1. This is the answer. Clear? So what we did in the binomial concept, we take the dividend in the descending order of the powers. Then we take two terms at each time and then we change the signs. So these three things I did. Now let's do one more question, a similar question, so that students, all of you are clear with the concept. 29x minus 6x square minus 28 divided by 3x minus 4. Again, this is a similar question. It's a binomial. So a very similar question. Let's do it now. So I arrange this first in the descending order, the dividend as in the powers. So this will be minus 6x square plus 29x minus 28. This you have to divide by, the divisor is 3x minus 4. So now let's see what happens. 3x into what is minus 6x square? So 3x into minus 2x. Thus plus into minus is minus, and so 3 into is 6, 6x square, minus 6x square. And we have to take two terms, right? So we also have to then see minus 4 into minus 2, which is minus 8x. Now, the third step, we will change the signs. So minus becomes plus, and minus here becomes plus. Right? So what happens here? Minus 6x square and plus 6x square will be cancelled. right? And plus 29x plus 8x. Let me see. Oh, I'm sorry. This is minus 4 into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. Minus 4 into minus 2 is plus. This was plus here. So what happened to plus? Plus will become minus. So I just correct here. So 29x minus 8x is 21x. Now minus, again two terms have to be taken. Minus 28. Okay, students, because I am just following these steps. Every time I will take two terms. Every time I will reverse the sign. Okay, and because there are two terms in the binomial, it's because it's a binomial. Now, so again, 3x into what is 21x? So this is plus 7. 3x into 7 is 21x. Again, minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. So this was plus, so this becomes minus, this is minus, this becomes plus. So plus 21x minus 21x cancels, minus 28 and plus 28 cancels. So this becomes 0. So what's the answer? Remainder is 0. Quotient is minus 2x plus 7. Okay. So if you multiply 3x minus 4 into minus 2x plus 7, it will be this dividend. So this is how you will solve questions on division. So in case it is a monomial, you will simply divide by the monomial. So each and every term of the dividend will be divided by the monomial. So this is for monomials, and for binomial you will simply use this method to divide, wherein first you will arrange the powers of the dividend, powers of the exponents of the dividend in the descending order. Then what you would do, then you would then the second step is to take two terms each time, because binomial has two terms, and take two terms each time, and then also change the sign. And so these two questions were how you would do division for binomials. Now let's go to the another part, which is identity. So what is an identity? So identity is an algebraic expression which is always equal for any value of the variable. So whatever be the value of the variable, so basically there are three standard identities: a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab; a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab; and a square minus b square, which is a minus b into a plus b. So whatever value you put for a and b, any numerical value, the left hand side and the right hand side will always be same. So these are standard identities. And there is one more identity, which is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square. This is a distributive law. X square plus ax plus, so basically how you do this? This becomes x square plus bx plus ax plus ab. So this actually becomes x square plus x common, a plus b plus ab. So this is another identity which we will do a question from here as well. Now let's do some questions for identities. 2x plus 3y whole square and 103 whole square. So let's do, this is what I think this is of the form of a plus b whole square. So how you will do simply these questions? You have to write a is equal to 2x, b is equal to 3y. Now if you write this, now things are very simple. You know a plus b whole square. Write this: a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now you simply have to replace values. So this becomes a square becomes 2x whole square plus b square is 3y whole square plus 2 into ax is, a is 2x and b is 3y. Now put in bracket so that you know. Simply I am replacing the formula. So this becomes 4x square plus 9y square plus 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 12, 12xy plus 12xy. This is the answer. These are unlike terms. You cannot further do any addition or subtraction. So basically a plus b whole square, and then I have just put in a and b values, and a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y, and then I have solved a plus b whole square. Okay. Now students, 103 whole square. How can you write this? This is close to 100, right? So this you write this as 100 plus 3 whole square. And why we wrote this? Because we know a and b now. What we know, a is equal to 100, b is equal to 3. So you do this 100 whole square plus 3 square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a is 100 into b. Simple. So this becomes 10,000. Bigger. This is 10,000 plus 9 plus 100 into 2 is 200 and into 3 is 600. So this becomes 10,609 as your answer. Okay, simple. Such questions can come in exam. Now we do another conceptual questions. So 501 into 502. So this will use this formula. Why? I'll tell you. X plus a into x plus b. See, it is x is common. So this number is close to what number? 500. So we'll write this as 500 plus 1. So I have this is x plus a and 500 plus 2. This, you always break in such formula because the identities should match. So now see, I have put this which is close to 500. So 500 plus 1 and 500 plus 2. Why? Because I wanted x. We wanted x. X is 500 here. So x is 500 now. Rest you know, a is 1 and b is 2. So just replace the formulas. It is x square plus a plus b bracket close x plus ab. This is how you write x plus a into x plus b, right? We got this from here. X plus a, x square plus x, a plus b plus ab. So now I just replace those values. So this is 500 square plus a plus b is 1 plus 2 into x is 500 plus a into b is 1 into 2, which is, you can write this. So as for your clarification. So let me solve this here only. This is 25 and how many zeros? 4 zeros. Okay. Plus 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 500 is 1500. Plus 2. What's the answer? Answer is 25150. 25150. This is the answer. Yeah. Fine. Any doubts, students? Easy. I hope you are liking this. It's an easy chapter. In the first part of this the first part of my video, I discussed about addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And in this, why I have mentioned here algebraic expression too, because this is little different from that. It is on division and identity. So when you watch the videos 1 and 2 on algebra for class 8, you will complete the concepts from your book, and you also have some good questions which I have done on the board. So now let's move further. A square minus b square. See, you can see this 983 square minus 17 square is equal to a square minus b square. You can write in the bracket the form of such questions. In this you can write this form. In this you can write this form. In this question you can write a plus b whole square. In the right hand side where some space is given, and always write this is in this form. So now what happens here? a square. So 983 square minus b square. This is what? A plus b into a minus b. So what happens now? You can write this as 983 plus 17. Okay. Into 983 minus 17. Because a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a is equal to 983, b is equal to 17. So this is the case. And this is the case, then because it's a form of a square minus b square, then we can always put this as a plus b into a minus b. A plus b is how much? 1000. Okay. And this becomes how much? 983 minus 17. $966. This becomes 966. How many zeros? 3 zeros. This is the answer. Fine, students. Now let's do some more questions. This is the a minus b whole square. You can see this. So this is a square plus b square minus 2b. So in these questions, this thing is always in positive. A minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. You will get a square plus b square in both the cases, but it is minus 2ab for minus b square and this plus 2ab for a plus b whole square. So simply it's in the form of a minus b whole square. So first you write this formula, right? A minus b whole square is this. And then you write a is equal to how much? 3x. And what is b? What is b? Tell me. I think if you think what is b is 2y. It is not minus 2y. Why? Why it is not minus 2y? Because a minus b whole square. So if you write this a minus b whole square, so what is b? B is 2y, not because minus is the sign. In case it was plus, then it would have been again 2y. But in a minus b whole square, b is 2y. So here we are writing b is 2y, not minus 2y. Just remember this. 2y. So now we just expand this. It becomes 3x whole square, a square plus b square, 2y. 2y whole square minus 2 minus 2 into a is what? What is a? 3x into b is 2y. Okay, this becomes 9x square plus 9y square minus 2 3 to 6, 6 to the 12 minus 12xy. This is the answer. Again, it's unlike terms. You cannot you cannot do anything further after this. This is the answer, right? Now let's do this question. X plus 1 by x equal to 5. What is x square plus 1 by x square? Simple. Whenever you square this, you will get this form as well. Because when we do a plus b whole square, we get a square plus b square. So you will see this is a square plus b square. This is a plus b. If you see it closely, it is a plus b. If you square this, it will be a square plus b square, right? And this is the same form. So now let's square this, both sides. So you can write squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. With both sides, I mean left hand side and right hand side. So we get x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 5 square. So what is a plus b whole square? So yeah, you can write here x is equal to a, 1 by x is equal to b, for a better explanation of your question. So now what do we do? A square is x square, plus b square is 1 by x square, plus 1 by x square is 1 square upon x square, so it's again is 1 by x square only. You don't have to write 1 square, because it's again 1 only. So you just leave it as 1 upon x square. Right? Now plus 2 AB plus 2 into A is what? X. B is what? 1 by x. What happens here? X and x will cut. So it becomes x square plus 1 by x square. You write equal to in all these places. Plus 2 is equal to how much? 25. 5 square is 25. You were just solving this side, right and left hand side, but it's also equal to 5 square. So now, because we are squaring it, so we are just putting the value of 5 square. First I was solving this part. Now I solved this part, so now I'm putting is equal to 25. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 25 minus 2 is equal to 23. Is what? Is this the answer you needed? Yes. You wanted this only, right? It was mentioned here. What is this? This is what was asked, right? So this is now 23. Okay, fine. If this could have been x minus 1 by x, if this could have been x minus 1 by x equal to 5, then also same thing. Again, you would have squared. The only difference was that if you do x minus 1 by x whole square, then you will get in the end x square plus 1 by x square minus 2, because it's minus 2ab, and x and 1 by x will get cut. So it will be x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 is equal to 25, and minus 2 would have become plus 2, then it would have been 27. So that's the only difference. So in this form would always come when you square. Now let's do this. X plus y is 12, xy is 14, and x square plus y square is what? Again, if you square, you will get this form. So let's do x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now we have xy mentioned. We have got x square and y square. We need this. We have been given this, and we have been given this also. Now replacing the values, you can write over here replacing the values. X plus y is 12, so x plus y is 12, 12 square is equal to x square plus y square. We don't know, we want this only, plus 2 into xy. Xy is 14 given. Okay, just replacing the values. So 144 is equal to x square plus y square plus 28. Right. So x square plus y square is equal to 144 minus 20 transposing minus 28. So this becomes 116. So is equal to 116. Okay, students. So with this we end up the course for class 8 for algebra. The two modules, the two videos you watch in my channel. Well, the first one was on multiplication, addition and subtraction for algebra, and this one was for division and identities, as I already explained you. And also, if you do get some time to go through my introductory video on this channel, I had explained that the maths will have all the important concepts and questions. So maths you cannot do in isolation just by knowing the concepts. So the attempt here in all these modules of maths is to give you the relevant questions, at least those which are important, and the concepts linked to the question, so that when you go through a detailed study from your book, you know what are the important questions which can come in the exams, and that will help you score more or score well. So if you like the video, give me a like, and you do enjoy, keep smiling, and have a great